Yo! So we're at the Dubai Expo now. We're gonna check this out. We just got our tickets and look at this. Alright, so getting through security at Dubai Expo was very, very serious. So they check for vaccination and they also check for a PCR test. One or the other. Either you're vaccinated or you do a PCR test. But I made it through. We're in the Dubai Expo and what a entrance. Alright, so I want my house to look like this. I'm gonna have a grand entrance, colorful steps leading up to the house, comfortable pillows if you want to lay out. Let's go check this out. What up? This is really dope. Alright, so before we check out the exhibition, I want to check out this trade. I basically placed this trade on Ethereum based on the signal on TrustedSignals. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so I had this buy on Ethereum. So I took that trade on MT4. Let's go. That's it right now. And the trade, bam. So it's really hot. We're gonna go check out this expo and get some AC. Let's go. Whew. Oh man. Finally, some AC. So we are in the first exposition and look at this. It is looking extremely cool. Land of the future. Wow. The first quantum computer in Europe, 1921. Wow, Albert Einstein. This is the past. And now let's go into the future. Future machine. Wow, look at this. They only work in a vacuum and ambient temperatures colder than space. But that's what makes them so powerful. Quantum computer process large quantities of data at incredible high speeds, inaccessible to even the best processors of today. Oh, and it finished. So cool. All right, let's check out this here. This is the trade office. Welcome to TrustedSignals facilities. In the future, very, very soon, the lobby. Let's go. All right, that was awesome. Definitely had a great time checking out this exhibition. Found some cool products, very cool, interesting facts. We're gonna go check out the next spot. Well, I appreciate it. Everyone has a comment about the hair. Oh man, nice hair. It's something that they don't see normally here in Dubai. So, get it. I just say thank you. Her father's not a big fan. So this is the entrance. And we got some info right here as well. Aquí te voy a decir algo, porque acá en Dubai hay un calor y supuestamente esta es la temporada. Entonces, te digo, si esta es la temporada, this is crazy, man. Super hot. As soon as I step outside, me pega el calor. Boom! So right now, in the entrance of the UK exhibition in Dubai, all of this. Weather prediction, everyday robotics, advanced solutions, trusted signals trading for it. Alright, so I'm gonna type in my word here and it's gonna put it into an automatic poetry by AI. So my word is going to be L-O-V-E.
Oh,
love.
I love that.
Love conquers all.
I agree.
Let's go. The strongest power of the universe. Our AI is working.
And that is your poetry.
Let's see.
Yeah, and that is your keepsake.
Nice. I'm gonna save that screenshot, take a photo, boom.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ukraine. Mighty brain, catch the trades, sell at the top, buy at the bottom. Come on. This is the main stadium of Dubai Expo. Where it all goes down. You have to see what it looks like at night. Right now, none of the lights are on. I could only imagine what it looks like when these lights turn on. Quality that I'm hearing right now. I feel it all over my body. My hair just standing up. Wow. Being here at the Expo, you get a feeling that tomorrow, the future, is just not so far away. It makes you feel like the future is today, that we are living in the future, in the present moment. It's so surreal, the way that I feel right now. It makes me feel so grateful to be alive on this earth, here present at this very moment, at the tip of civilization, the best of where civilization has been in the last years of existence. You are right here, right now, with the opportunities that did not exist 500 years ago. Anybody has access to the tools like TrustedSignals, like Forex, like the crypto exchanges to change their life, to change their destiny, and to change your family's lives. It's an opportunity that I'm extremely grateful to be a part of, to be here in this present moment. Just look at this. Now this is Japan and we're going to the Japanese restaurant. What's up? This is it.
Japanese fan. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Let's check out Japan. What's up? Where can we just put you?
Ask her, we can do it with 1.5 billion.
1.5 billion billets? More than 1.5 billion plates of sushi are eaten a year. Alright, let's go. Alright, do you remember that buy signal I said earlier? Check it out. Look at the buy signal. Look at the move where it is now. And it's at 17,000 now. Let's go. Dubai Expo 2020. Checking out the charts. Enjoying TrustedSignals. Let's go. So right behind me, this company is called ENOC. Emirates National Oil Company. And kid you not, my name is also ENOC. Right there. I've reached out to them multiple times asking for a partnership, a sponsorship. ENOC, if you're watching this, I'm waiting for that email reply. All right, so this is an investment company here. Yes. It's very cool. We're gonna check this out. Made it into the night inside the Dubai main dome. Wow. I'm lost for words. The experience here is night and day. Literally. right, so it is a wrap. We've officially finished Dubai 2020 Expo. It's been a wonderful experience seeing what's to come in the future. The future is now. So Trusted Signals, thank you so much for tuning in, for being a part of the Trusted Signals family. And if you are not part of the family, please do like and subscribe. Be sure to check out our tools so that way you can start trading and making money from home on your laptop. See you later, Trusted Signals family. Let's go!